So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about BHEL share. So we know that many people have requested to make a separate video on BHEL. So we'll do the complete technical analysis to find out what are the next possible supports and resistances. Followed by, we'll also see how the deliveries are increasing on a regular basis. So we know that the quarter 4 result of BHEL will be declared. So the company is expected to report some very good numbers, and increment also would be present on quarter basis, and dividend also will be declared. So on this particular note, how the stock will perform, so all these things we'll understand. So if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so do subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And also you can join the Telegram group if you have not done that, because in Telegram group we'll discuss all the latest updates and technical charts whenever it is present near any breakout region. Okay, so if we discuss how the deliveries are being taken in BHEL share, so we know that on an average 15 to 20% deliveries are being taken in BHEL, and you can see little bit of volatility was also present in the last trading session, but again it has moved in a flat manner. You can see only minus 0.5% downfall was present, and you can see it has closed near 72.20 rupees level, and on that day we can see only 20.6% deliveries have been taken, but little volatility was also very less. Okay, and we know that the company is also a little bit of improving nowadays, because we know electric vehicle segment is running around. So in this particular company also it is focusing on that particular system. We know electric vehicle particular cells are also being designed, where manufacturing all these things have been assigned to BHEL. And apart from that, we also know that it is engaged in solar field since so many years. That is well known to us. So a complete package is present, but we know on quarter basis, earlier it has reported little bit of loss, but nowadays the results are also increasing, and it is going to post some very good results. On that particular note itself, the stock has rallied, okay, from the low levels. So we'll discuss everything, what is the support and what is the resistance. For time being, see that a little bit of trade quantity is present, but deliveries are also consistent. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of BHEL. So you can see the last 3 weeks the stock has given very good momentum. So last 2 weeks especially, so it was running in very we can say very good hype was also present already in many news channels also about this particular quarter 4 update. A very good hype was created that it would report some very good numbers. So on that particular note itself, the stock, we know in the last 2 weeks it has given some very good momentum, and in the 3rd week, that is the last week, we can see little profit booking was also seen at the high levels. But nevertheless, since the results are going to be good, so we'll see what are the next possible resistances. So clearly you can see the 75 rupees level is going to be one important crucial resistance, where the stock already 2 times after traveling in that region it has retraced. So must watch level is 75. So once it crosses 75, you can see we have a pivot resistance near the 80.85. After that, we have most important thing is 200-day exponential moving average, which is coming out to be near 83 rupees level. So these are going to be the near-term resistances, as we can find out in weekly time frame. And coming to support, we can say that most important support that is going to be crucial in the next sessions is 70 rupees level. So once it sustains that 70, definitely you can go for a buying position with some very good quantity, and the targets you can see 80-85 in the near term can be seen. So watch the 70 rupees level very clearly, very cleverly. You need to trade, especially if you're doing any sort of intraday or swing. Rest of all, it can give some good momentum, so trade cautiously. And money flow index, you can see that is near 85. So that is not completely in overbought region, but slightly it has entered a high buying region. So maybe we may see some momentum in the coming week as well. So this is in weekly time frame. So let's switch over to 1-day chart. So there also we'll see what are the levels. Okay, so this is 1-day chart. So previously we discussed 1 week chart. So in 1-day chart also, as usual, I told you 75 rupees region is very important. So you can see already after approaching, it has faced some resistance and it has retraced a little bit. So 70 you need to watch very carefully. So once 70 is being respected, you can go for a buying position. After that, we have 65 as the support. So in these regions only try to buy an average if you're already holding it, and definitely you may get some good return in short term as well as in long term. Okay, and money flow index in daily time frame, you can see that is near 88. So that is also already traveling in overbought region. So don't worry about that. So try to add in decent quantity. If you're already holding it from low levels, try to average near 70 and in that particular regions. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.